You can see I just got myself an upgrade. I bought myself a much wider jointer, and it's also a combination thickness plane. But to make room for this in my shop, I put a hole in the wall. Then I can figure out where the hole in that wall needs to go. I start out by cutting a hole in this non-supporting wall. As you can see, it's just got styrofoam in the middle. After lining the inside of that hole with 18mm plywood, I then went back and added some bracing on both sides of the hole. Then I could test the fit for the motorcycle lift. And now here I'm just gluing up some boards for the center section, and I'm making a frame for the flip down tables. I'm using oak on the outside of this because I've got to put hinges, and I don't want to put hinges directly into plywood. I'll leave a link in the description for that motorcycle lift that I'm using. The links below in the description are Amazon affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from those links if you choose to purchase them. If you're enjoying this video and you think I've earned it, please consider subscribing. Now I need to make a simple hand wheel for the motorcycle lift. I've never made a wheel like this, so let's see how this goes. It's definitely far from perfect, but it serves its function. I want to close up the gap underneath the lift, as well as create a place for the wings to rest on when they come down.